Hello. Yeah. Could you guys turn up your camera, please? Hello. Hello. I guess I'm audible. Hello. Yeah. Could you guys turn up your camera? I want to see your faces.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi. Hello, Durbesh and Rohit. Like, I want to see you guys. Like, could you guys turn up your camera? So this is our first tribe meeting. Okay. Like, I want everyone to know each other, and we will dive into the topic of LinkedIn, personal branding and lead generation.
Okay.
Okay, baby.
Yeah, man. We'll start with you. Can you tell me like what do you do and why you want to use LinkedIn and how you want to use LinkedIn for to get job, to build personal brand, to build business, to network. What is the reason like you are on LinkedIn?
So I'm into digital marketing from last 3 years, and I have worked on a social media management, and I've handled worked in a healthcare company, and I've managed all the social media platforms and with the content designing, the scheduling, then post everything. So I just want to now learn about the lead generation, like what is the best way I can, what is the best way to generate the leads organically,
Okay.
and that's a new skill. Like it's a requirement in the COVID time. Like everybody needs, like looking for a client age and where I can help it out. So that's why I just want to learn LinkedIn. How can LinkedIn is the best platform for organic leads or for the networking and for meeting the new clients, interaction with the other, you can across the globe, we can connect with each other. That's the that's my reason to join that. Know about that LinkedIn, how I can leverage myself in LinkedIn, and what's
Okay.
the best use I can do.
Got it. So Rohit, you want to start? Can you tell me like where you're from and like why you want to use LinkedIn?
Yes, my name is Rohit. I'm from Mysore, Karnataka. So I've just finished my engineering in this August. I know website development, digital marketing, and content writing. So when I was going through, I never had a chance to get leads.
Okay.
So even though I know few of the skills, I never managed to get any one of them or provide them with my skills. So that is the whole reason that I want to learn LinkedIn so that I could uh, you know uh, I could find leads and maybe like a self-employed. So
Got
that
it.
is the whole reason, and also support my family in the possible ways that I can.
Okay. Yeah, Durbesh, like you want to speak? Hello. Hello, Durbesh, you want to speak? Can you tell me like where you're from and what do you do? Hello. Yeah, it's okay. So Nirmala, you want to speak? Can you tell me where you're from and what do you do? Why you want to use LinkedIn for?
Hi
Hello.
Shiva, can I talk? Can
Yeah,
I
you can
finish
talk.
my?
Yeah, you can talk.
Hi, this is Deepti here.
Okay.
Deepti, I have joined from the other cell. Sorry.
No, not a problem.
Okay, 1 minute, 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'll just plug in.
Hi, Deepti. Yeah. Yeah, you can go on.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. So let me quick introduce myself here. Hi everybody, I'm Deepthi here. I'm a social media marketing strategist, and I usually handle Facebook and Instagram. And apart from that, I am associated with something called as anybody are aware of this. This has been like testing from a person called Mimansha and Romal, who are into long time, 18 years of experience they have with the corporate. So they have been doing it. It's been testing from past 6 to 8 months. Wherein yes, LinkedIn is a very good platform for the leads and things. That's a different question, but still there here I would like to introduce something which is new normal. On that basis we have formed this. Maybe this is a very new information because it's not yet launched yet. It is still being in a testimonial phase, wherein we are doing batches for sake of testimonial, where first level will be of 5 days of workshop, wherein you will be taught to completely make your virtual resume according to the company's corporate's vision and their norms and things. And we have been tied up with many companies and corporates and the employers, wherein they'll directly hire you. It is something like that, wherein like it's a very good platform to get direct leads as well. And apart from that, there is a 30 days of training, intense training, wherein like we give 100% of assurity on getting a job.
Okay.
If there is no job, like if you don't get hired anywhere, like we'll repay you whatever is the cost. To that extent it is, because it's a very intense training, wherein like I would like to say that Mimansha is taught people who is under Modi. So to that extent their organization is.
So
So
you
this
want to
one
use
small
like
introduction which,
LinkedIn for like personal branding and lead generation?
yes, absolutely, yes.
Yeah.
Both,
So that's about it.
both
Like
everything.
this is our first meeting, so I want everyone to know each other. That's the reason. Like I have asked about the intro to break the ice. So
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
I will start. Like we will finish in just 20, like 15 to 20 minutes, and next time like we will
okay.
have a good session because like it's Diwali. You guys stand up. That is great. Okay. So yeah, we'll wind up in 15 to
Yes.
20 minutes, and we'll have Q&A for 5 minutes, and we will end it. Sure. Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. Hi guys, like we'll start the seminar, like webinar. So first coming to LinkedIn, like LinkedIn is the most useful B2B platform, and it has been used by over 700 million place, and most of the reach in LinkedIn is completely organized. So today we are speaking about like how to build your personal brand and how to get leads through LinkedIn. Okay, and this is our first meeting. Make sure like if you have any doubts, like you can like comment. Okay, you can comment or you can ask in the chat section. Okay, so first we will start about the like personal branding. What is personal branding? According to Wikipedia is an it is an effort to create and influence public perception. Okay, so to be in simple words, like it is like personal branding is like branding you and your career as a brand. So it is like a continuous efforts. Okay, so there is a saying that like the best known will always beat the best. So even if you are having everything, if you are having like lots of money, you are advertising everything and doing everything, if you are not known, like you will not build your personal brand. So personal brand is very important in such a way that like I work mainly with founders and business owners for building their personal brand. Because even if you see Elon Musk and Steve Jobs, like they have built their personal brand to an extent such that the brands which they have been part of is uh, is getting the like advantage because of their personal brand, and they are having the more followers than their like brands themselves. Okay, so people always trust people, and people want to be hear from people, not from the brands, because people will always trust people, and it is very important to have like a personal brand And over the like years you will have like, now everybody is looking for influencer marketing is also in the rise, like and people are hiring celebrities for their like personal branding, like for their branding. So if you see like Elon Musk is the big example, as I already told you. People know Tesla and SpaceX because of Elon Musk. When he launched something, like it sold like a hot cake because of Elon Musk. That is the capacity, like that is the importance of the personal brand, and to such an extent, like even if you want, there is a like thing like people will not invest in personal brand, it can't be sold. But it can, even if you are a personal brand, you can like uh, find many companies and you can own many companies, and they will get exposure because of you, because you are the brand, you are the personal brand. So everyone knows like what you're up to and what you're doing and how many companies you own, everything will be because of the personal brand. That is the importance. Okay. So, and again, like your network is your network. Like when I have done some survey on LinkedIn, most people said like we are on LinkedIn for networking, personal branding, and lead generation. So your like network is very important. Like you have to talk to other people. Like when I started things, I used to say to my uh, people who used to come to consulting, like I asked them to like talk to at least 10 people a day. Slowly and gradually, you will have like you have to talk to more people. So slowly, that is the reason, till you become a personal brand, I ask them like, ask you to guys to talk to people and engage on others people content. That is very important. So start building your brand. It's never too late. Like this is the best period you are having, because like things have changed and everybody is like is into online, and to become a brand you used to have an online presence. Like suppose when you're searching for your name on like like on Google, like your name should pop up. What are the like social brands you have, social media platforms you are in, and how you can people like help people. That is very important. And without having social media, like you are like, when people search for you, if you are not there on like Google and you don't have any social presence, that is the case that I don't think like you will have any personal brand there. So start building your network, start a blog, start a website, and showcase your portfolio. If you don't have anything, like work for free. That is my as well. Like that is what I have done till now. So personal brand, I told you, right? Like it is like an your influencer for your company. You become a brand ambassador, and it is the need of the hour. Like everybody needs a personal brand, even if you are having some business or if you are not having some, like it is very important, you should have some personal brand. So as I already told you, like Steve Jobs and like Elon Musk are like great examples. Okay. Suppose like when it comes to LinkedIn, people are in LinkedIn because of various reasons. They want to get internship, they want to get jobs, they want to do business, they want to do like get lead generation. So there are a number of reasons for everything. Like for everything, like personal branding is the reason. Like you can have your own portfolio and show them to your employers and get help. So it will help you so much. That is what I have been doing like over the years. So in this COVID distance, like your presence on your social media is very important. Okay, when you're like when you are among your 100 people, and if you're having a strong personal brand, definitely you will have a chance to uh, like get advantage over other people like who are applying for the job. That is the reason having your own blog and website is very important to showcase your thoughts or showcase your skills and the portfolio as well. So how to like build your personal brand? It's a $1 billion question, right? So there are so many things like where you can build your brand. These are the 7 things which I suggest you to do, and also so that like you can build your personal brand. What you can do is like start publishing ebooks. Okay, ebooks in the sense which are, take a topic or take a niche which you are good at, and start doing content, or write some blogs on your website, or and like build their like and do that into ebook, so that you can sell it off, and people you can circulate in your people, you can give it as a lead magnet, and you can charge whatever it is. Like you can charge some 100 rupees or 1,000 rupees, depends on the value of the content and the personal brand you have. You can sell for 100,000 rupees also, but it all depends on your personal brand. So next thing, create consistent content on LinkedIn. in LinkedIn is a content game. Okay, if you're not creating content, if you're sitting idle, even if you're producing content for a year and after 10 days you are not producing any content, you are nowhere, because you are whatever that you reached you have till now will be go down. Okay, will be down. So you have to like constantly create content that adds value to your customers and also your network and also connection. Okay, so position yourself as an expert in LinkedIn. Talk about your niche, talk about your skills, and talk about the things which you're good at and how you can help people. Show them the testimonials, show them the value, like give them a lot of value. So market yourself. Be like this is the thing. Like be shameful in marketing. Do everywhere. Like comment on others people's content. Uh, do live sessions. Start building your own tribe. Do whatever it is like, but start marketing yourself, because like that is the own thing. No, you can't trust any social media platform or anything. Start building your email list as well. Start doing your website, because TikTok has been banned. How many people has been uh, face so many problems because of that. So what, instead of like depending on social media platform like Facebook, where the reach is going like down, or LinkedIn, it is now the things have changed, like the reach is going down. What you can do is like you start now like doing like consistent content over the like in some days you will gradually like get the good reach. Without doing content you will not get a good reach. Okay, so as I already told you, engage with other content. Just go to search and type your relevant keyword, go to content, and afterwards like what you can do is like engage with the relevant keyword like you have entered in the search. So like that, like people will know you when it comes to you, like they will know you are a good social media marketer or like digital marketing. So give lot of value. Like I already tell you, like three things you have to do. Value, value, and value is like very important. When even if you're giving value for some days, over the years, it will compound, and definitely people will reach out to you for the paid thing. Okay, so don't be like, if I give more value, if I give more free value, I'll not get anything. Like I will use my secret. It's not like you give, you will get, you will give, you get, like whatever you give so much value, definitely over the period, like you will make a lot of money, and also like people will know you. Start a blog. Okay, this is the most important thing. Like start building your own blog and start building your own website. That is your property, like web property and everything. Because when even we don't know, Facebook and Instagram, the reach is going down and they are restricting everyone to produce consistent content. Like if you're doing 3 4 posts, like they are telling like you can't do, you're putting so much content on that platforms, and they are restricting it. That is very silly. So what you can do, instead of depending on them, you can start your own blog website and take the email list and nurture your like audiences. So that you can do. Okay, so guys, till now, like you have any doubts, like you understood? Hello?
Yeah. No, I have one question like
Yeah, you
on
can.
personal and content,
Mhm.
like on a social media, like if as we see these days, everyone is posting about like each and every feature about Facebook ad, Google ad, Instagram,
Mhm.
and if we like go start with one ad, like so that content will be the same. Like how we can differentiate our content, like things are uh, will be the same and available in the internet so
Yeah.
far, like if we talk about Google ads and Facebook ad or Instagram ads, so how we can differ ourselves in the terms of content, like there's so many content is available there, so how can we rank with that content on our website or start with the blog, or we can find a different like niche topic within a social media. Like if I talk about, I worked on a company, so corporate company for 2.5 years for social media. So if I talk about social media topics, how I can choose the topics within social media, because lots of content is already there in the
Okay.
LinkedIn or internet. How I
Mhm.
can choose a different topic or select a topic within
Okay.
it.
How you can select a topic? Okay. How you can do is like there are so many in LinkedIn, like the marketing trends and personal stories, and also the like tactics perform better when it comes to an image, like short form post perform better. What you can do is like you can see daily like what is working. There is a like tool called BuzzSumo, and also answer the public, you can see like what content is performing better. You can search, go to search, and also you can use Twitter also. And now LinkedIn have come up with a new feature called news. Like everything, whatever is happening in the real time, like you can know in the LinkedIn. So you can write about that. And coming to the same content which is like available on Google. So what you can do is like you can write your own words. It's not like you are copying everything and like just putting in the LinkedIn or your blog or website. What you can do is like you can write in your own words and also structure in such a way like there is something which you can't change because the structure is the same. Okay. What you can do is like you can write in your own words like where like your own audiences could understand. So you can't like even if there is same content, you don't have to think too much of it because like if it is a fact that is like similar, okay, you can't change it, right? Yeah, if it is
Yes.
Google Ad, it is Google Ad. You can't change it to some other thing. So what you can do is like do the same thing. There are some things like where you can uh, differentiate from others. That is like writing your own words and putting some extra effort and give them value. That's it.
Right.
Got it, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, there are
We need to
different
follow
things
the
like
trends, like
yeah,
what
you
on
follow the
people-
trends like write personal stories, right?
what people are
use-
looking for.
Yeah, people are looking for it and add some extra value. Like Google Ads, like everybody is doing similar. You do the same, but there are some things where you can write your own things and mix it up with your like own knowledge. Okay, so that you can do it.
Okay.
But
Right.
don't think like there's this content. It is everything is available on Google. It's not like okay. There are so much content. Everybody like there are millions of content creators in the world. What you can do is like prepare a organized content that is like step by step and easy process where an like into like 7th class student can understand. Okay, if you can't explain to a 5th class student, 7th class student, I don't think like whatever the content you are producing, it's like it is of no use. Okay, so that the content should be very simple. Don't use like complex words. Like start with simple content. That's it.
Right.
Yeah. Next, like we will go to like lead generation. Okay, so LinkedIn lead generation is a very important topic. Okay, so most of the people are, I told you, like they are for getting jobs, personal branding and lead generation. How you can do LinkedIn lead generation? First and foremost thing, you have to have clear objective. Okay, why you are on LinkedIn? To get job, to do business, or to do network, like to do networking. That is more important. So gradually like uh, you can do that. And most coming to the next thing, like LinkedIn profile automation, this is the most of the thing like everybody will like neglect. Okay, so what you can do is like first do, okay, there is an important, first you have to optimize your profile in such a way that like whenever people lands on your profile, they should know what you are doing, what you are good at, and why they should hire you. That is more important. So coming to the LinkedIn profile, I already told you profile photo. Profile photo is like you should have a good profile headshot photo where the background should be white and you can use resume.bg. Okay, it is a tool to like remove your background. Cover photo you should have in such a way that like where you should have your like skills, what you are good at, and what are the services you are offering to the people, and how people can contact you. Okay, and coming to the headline is the most important thing where you should have like three keywords what you're good at. If it is like, for me it is like personal branding, lead generation, social media marketing, and growth hacking. So similar to you, like you should have some three keywords what you're good at. If it is digital marketer, SEO, social media marketing, and digital marketing, that can be your keywords. And I use this principle called WWH, which is like what you're good at, uh, and how you can help people, and also like in how many. It's like example, like I help entrepreneurs and business owners in personal branding and lead generation on LinkedIn. Okay, that is my headline. So you can have your similar headline. And coming to the bio, that is the most important thing again. So in that you can have like what is your journey, and what you did, how many clients you have worked with, and what are the results you have got, and how people can contact you, and how you can help them. These are the things you can have in your bio. And endorsement and recommendation is the same thing. You can have your keywords. Okay, You can have your 3 keywords which you are good at. The same thing if you are digital marketer, the same thing which I have told you. The same thing when you are asking for the recommendations, ask from colleagues, your boss or your friends, or whoever thinks like can add you value to a profile. And education, it's the same thing. What have you, what are the education you have till now, you can include that. And certifications, there are a number of certifications you can do which can enhance your career and profile as well. So do that. So you can see if it come to like B2B content market strategy and platform, LinkedIn is leading. Okay, it is at 94%. So if you want to reach the decision makers, that is CEOs, CXOs, marketing managers, or anyone who want to like take the immediate decision, like LinkedIn is your platform, and the reach is like extremely good, and it is completely organic. You don't have to spend on ads. Now the situation is changing. Like now, like get onto the boat, like start doing content before it goes out of your hand, so that like you don't have any, then you will not have any option rather than going for the like paid ads. So start doing content on LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a content game. Okay, so first connect with your targeted audience. Okay, where they are from, what they do, and everything. Like start doing content. Okay, and connect with your target audience, and also which city they are from, what are the skills they have, what is their income, and uh, are they interested in your course or your content. That is very important. And build your audience persona, and post with text contents perform better. Okay, videos and links doesn't perform better. Like uh, and the links, like you can put in the comment, don't put on your text post, like that will decrease your reach. And hit the right chord only by talking only about your niche. Okay, to only talk about your niche. And somewhere or other, like you can have you can talk about your client stories, your personal stories and stuff. That's been more important. And the 3 things how you can get leads is like uh, connect with the target audience, do content, and outreach. Do outreach, do like message people who can be your uh, targeted audience. Okay, go to them and ask them, like first like message them saying like what you are good at, and how are they, and slowly and gradually after 3 or 4 days you can like tell about your service and how you can help them. And this is a strategy you can do. Just connect with them with a message saying like I want to connect with you, then endorse their skills. And after that, like tell them a message saying that I want to these are the things I do and what you do. So the gradually like you'll get the leads. And it is a content game. You can get leads through LinkedIn only through content and outreach. That is most important to start doing from now. And start doing getting connections. Having 1,000 connections is very important. So have at least 1,000 connections and start connecting with your relevant audience. Okay. Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
So these are the things. Till now, like, you have any doubts? Like,
No,
hello?
not at this point. Like we are updating the things, and then maybe
Yeah.
comes with the questions and
Yeah,
things how we can.
you understood, right? Like what I have said. Like, these are the things you can do. This is a drive. I want to build like everyone, like who are here either for the job, business, or getting leads or doing anything. I want everyone to get what they deserve for it. All like we are ready to help you. Like everyone is ready to help you here. Like everybody is a business owner, social media strategist, digital marketer, a lead generation specialist, Instagram specialist, and they are doing business job or like working freelance. So you can reach out to anyone for help. Like they are ready to help you. So so I'm like giving you sharing you the previous like which I have, like which is then audience how you can do message sequence, and also how you can do a good headline, everything like I'll be sharing you. Okay, so that like you can do you can just download it from the link I have sent you, and like start doing producing content and doing outreach. I also send you the link where you can download the message sequence which I have been using for like getting at least I get some 2 to 3 leads a day. And I have like I'm active on LinkedIn and Facebook and Instagram. You can connect me anywhere. And this is our first meeting. Then gradually we'll start doing content. We'll be having like uh, uh, doing things. Okay. So we'll be having sessions every week starting from today. So if you have anything and everything, the group is open and you can talk to people, and uh, that's the thing. Now the you have any if you have any question, you can ask us. Hello.
Yes, sir. No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir. Till this is the first minute. Okay. What I am winding up. So what if you
Yes, sir.
have any doubts? Feel free to message me on WhatsApp. We have WhatsApp group. Right? Start doing that. And I want everyone to be successful. Let's start with a bang from this Diwali, and I want everyone to earn at least some 50K per month starting from now. And also if you want to get job, start doing that. Everyone is ready to help. Take care of ask questions in the group, and also message other people as well. So I am winding up. Thank you for coming on this webinar. I know this is hectic for you this Diwali, but you guys came on the webinar. So bye guys. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Deepthi,
Bye, everyone.
Durbesh,
Bye-bye.
Rohit, Manmit, everyone. Wish you a lot of success. Okay. Happy
Yes, sir.
Diwali
Happy
once
Diwali,
again.
sir.
Everyone. Yeah. Bye.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.